this?
Oh, no.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh wait, we should do it together. Okay.
It's so much worse when you get a good view.
What's up?
So we just came from Chipotle, and Jackie is in the
Burrito fell apart.
Yeah, Jackie's burrito fell apart, and we just figured out what jizz in my pants meant.
Obviously, it doesn't mean peeing in your pants.
Yeah, it's not
right.
Yeah, not
What
number
does it
one
mean?
or number
Explain
two.
it. Explain it to us, Sia.
Why don't you have Felipe explain it?
Explain what jizz.
Jizzing in your pants is the male process of ejaculation on oneself, resulting in the soiling of your pets.
Ew. So check it out, guys. SNL, Hulu.
Jizz in my pants.
Is it Hulu?
You Hulu?
Oh, it can be on any website. Just type in SNL, jizz in my pants, and it'll be there, and you'll watch it, and you'll laugh.
Good promo.
Any last words?
Your ad here.
Oh, watch on a boat.
Oh yeah.
On a boat.